is in a form of small waves, where global infections are experiencing different outcome. BA.2.75 is now the main variant, 58%. It is suspected to spread through an increasing number of Indian tourists. However, it is predicted by the end of this month or starting of the cool season, there will be an increase in inbound tourism from Europe that may alter the infection outcome once again as the XBB variant may be further introduced. Studies have revealed similarities of global infection pattern with the new variant showing mutation and hiding away from the immune system, easily infected and reinfection is occurring. It is therefore suggested for the public to receive 4 booster shots and not 3 as previously announced. Wearing a mask, avoiding crowded area and frequent hand washing is highly recommended to reduce the infection risk.